The BM-800 microphone is one of the cheapest quality microphone you can find in the online stores here in the Philippines. However, it has one glaring weakness, and that is that you need phantom power to be able to unleash its potential. There are a lot of phantom powers available online, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure about the quality of those things. Besides, there are cheaper ways to make the BM-800 microphone work without them. Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to use the BM-800 microphone without needing phantom power. This is the setting I use to record Let's Plays and live streams. Anyway, let's get on with this. Seriously though, don't bother buying the phantom power. Instead, just buy this USB sound card. They're dirt cheap and do their job pretty well. This one I'm using is called Verch's sound card, #not sponsored, which costs around 200 pesos. However, there are more cheaper options and those are fine as well. Why do we need this? Well, unfortunately, the onboard sound card in the motherboard doesn't really fare well when it comes to sound input. So we need a dedicated device to help it with that. And that is where the sound card comes in. In comparison, let's record some audio. This audio is recorded using the onboard sounds. This audio is recorded using the USB sound card. Obviously, the sound card on its own, it's not enough here. So for this, you can use this software called Voicemeeter Banana. #not sponsored again. This software is free to use, but you can support the developers by donating. That is up to you. Instead of buying phantom power, you can give that money to these developers for giving us this wonderful software. This software works like an audio interface like the GoXLR, but it's in software form. In this software, you can adjust the gain of your microphone. You can use equalization to modify your voice. You can set it up to pick up sounds at a certain volume. There are a lot of possibilities from this software, and it will make the BM-800 sound from this. This audio is recorded using the USB sound card. To this. This is the audio recorder using the BM-800 microphone with the USB sound card enhanced in Voicemeeter Banana. Now, I'm not really good at sound stuff and I just googled some basic settings to make it effective for voice recording or live streaming. Here are my settings if you like to copy it. Now, you can pretty much get away with using that. However, we can make the sound even better by using another software called Audacity. The software is also free to use. You can do a lot of stuff here as well. I mainly use this for recording and removing background noise for my voiceovers. In fact, I use Audacity to record this narration and remove the noise that was picked up by my microphone. For comparison, I'm replaying the audio I recorded earlier without putting it through Audacity. This is the audio recorder using the BM-800 microphone with the USB sound card enhanced in Voicemeeter Banana. Now, I will leave you to judge how well this combination works, but for me, it works really well. I have been using this setup for a while now and it hasn't given me any problems so far. Of course, getting a better microphone is the best solution, but if you're on a tight budget like me, this setup is hopefully helpful for you to level up the sounds of your YouTube videos.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, leave it down in the comments below. I try lots of recipes and builds here, and if you like to see more, be sure to smash the subscribe button and ring that G-dang bell. Any kind of engagement will help this channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
And since you reached the end, how about checking some of my other videos over there by the right of your screen? I'm pretty proud of these videos even though it's not professionally made, so give it a shot! Go on!